Okay, this now got flashlight better. I can throw. It's like that only, right? Okay, close. Not spoil all the way. Okay, press. Oh.
Let's wait for.
Was it so long ah?
Need to boil the water.
不是已经 boil 了咩?
No, like that one. You reboil.
Huh?
Only a while.
Oh, wait so long? I thought it's instant. I thought it's instant. Ooh! Oh. So much. Oh. It's espresso. Finished?
Hopefully drip finish.
I want you to try. I want to see your reaction. Nice or not? Sekali not nice. Very strong as well.
It's the highest intensity one.
Is it? I don't know. There's two of it, ma.
It's the highest intensity of purple color, right? Yeah, upper girl.
They don't have this.
Upper girl. This one is on request.
Oh, but it's free?
Intensity 9. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Okay,
I didn't know. I thought one is this color, then the other one is that color. I didn't see.
For Tissot is nice. I drink before.
Okay. Has it drip finished? Why is it so long? My video is already 2 minutes. Okay, take. Oh, you must open again. Why? To take away the bag, is it?